Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. How often do you start a sentence with I think? It's okay, but overusing. It can make you sound certain or repetitive. So let's replace it with 21 smart alternatives. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. Why not use I think all the time? I think is safe and common, but in advanced English, we aim to sound clear, confident, and articulate. So let's discover other ways to express your opinion. Part 2. 21 alternatives to I think. 1. In my opinion. 2. From my perspective. 3. I believe. 4. As far as I am concerned. 5. I would say. 6. It seems to me. 7. The way I see it. 8. If you ask me. 9. I feel that. 10. I suppose. 11. To me. 12. My impression is. 13. I assume. 14. Evidently. 15. Clearly. 16. I gather that. 17. It's my view that. 18. I tend to believe. 19. I take the view that. 20. I hold the opinion that. 21. My take on this is. Part 3. Real life examples. I think this is wrong. From my perspective, this doesn't seem right. I think we should leave. It seems to me we should head out loud. I think he is late. Evidently, he is running late again. Part 4. Conversation practice and tips. Try using 3 to 5 alternatives this week when giving your opinion. Practice them with a partner, write them in a notebook, use them during work or class. Over time, they will become natural. Thanks for watching. Which phrases will you try first? Leave a comment below and subscribe for more speaking tips. Until next time, speak smart, sound confident. Thank you very much.